In this video, I'll be sharing with you a template to easily insert automated pronouns into your snippets. First, here's what that looks like. Notice how the various pronouns change based on my selection in the drop-down menu. You can use the provided link to copy this snippet into your dashboard with a few clicks, then customize it as needed. Or keep watching to learn how to build your own version. For this snippet, we'll be using the note command to prevent certain parts of the snippet from being inserted, the form menu command to create a drop-down menu, the if-else command to implement conditional logic, the formula command to create form variables, and finally the form variables themselves. Let's build it together. We start with a plain text version of the snippet. These are the placeholders that I will eventually replace with my form variables. And this bit of text is a reminder that I don't want the top part to be inserted. Let's tackle that first. I'm going to highlight and cut this text. Find the note command and put the text inside it. Anything inside this note block will not be included in the output when I insert my snippet. And now I can get rid of this reminder. Next, we need a drop-down menu. I specify the 3 choices I want in my menu, set the default option and fill in the name field. As soon as I specify the name for my menu, you'll see that it shows up in the command sidebar. This is called a form variable. The next step is to set up our conditional logic. For this, we have the if-else command. Conditional logic is covered extensively on the help site, where you'll find detailed tutorials, videos, and templates to copy and experiment with. Here I'm setting up the condition to test using the form variable I just created. For the results, I'm going to put some placeholders for now. Notice that the text changes based on the choice from the drop-down. However, the second and third options are both giving me the same output. To remedy that, I need to nest another if-else command, and here's what that looks like. Note that I'm only using indentation to make the snippet easier to understand. Now the snippet follows this logic. Have I chosen neutral? If yes, I get this text. If I've chosen something else, we move on to the next section. Have I chosen feminine? If yes, I get this text. If not, I get this other text. In this next step, I'm going to use the formula command to set up form variables. The content needs to be in quotation marks to tell TextBlaze that this is a string of text. Additionally, notice how I'm using very descriptive form variable names. This will come in handy when I need to pick which form variable to use in my snippet. For the sake of simplicity, I'm only creating form variables for the 3 most common pronoun types. If you want to add more, the method is the same. I'm also replicating this for the other 2 conditions using the corresponding pronouns. Now, based on my choice in the drop-down menu, the 3 form variables I created will be assigned content accordingly. Here's the best part. My form variables are conveniently placed in the command sidebar. To insert them, I just need to remove my placeholder text from the snippet contents and click on the form variable I want to insert. And since we gave them descriptive labels, it's easy to pick out which one to use. Let's try it out. If I need to create a new snippet that uses the same logic, I can just duplicate my snippet and update this part as needed. Of course, this is just one way of doing it. If you'd like to learn more, check out our help site and make sure you visit our community for ideas and inspiration from other users like yourself.